Hey guys, welcome to GrailRewards.com. This is Jack. I'm going to do a quick tutorial video. We're probably going to do two of these. So this video is basically just going to show you a couple of things, how to get into the website, how to register, and also how to buy your digital download coins. Remember, we don't take US dollars, so what happens is you're going to use, at the moment, PayPal is our first payment processor. We're going to be adding other ones. So once you register and get familiar with the website, you're going to want to buy a package of digital download credits. So let's take this one step at a time. So here's the front page, the way it looks as of today in our beta release. So I've already logged in, but over here on the right of the screen at the top will be something where you can register. Once you register, you should get an email that welcomes you. And the first thing we tell everybody is, once you're registered, you absolutely want to go to your Instagram account and follow the official Grail Rewards Instagram account, which is @Grail_rewards. That's where we're going to be doing previews and lots of interesting stuff on upcoming books and reward comic books. So you're going to want to follow us there. You're also going to want to follow us on our YouTube channel, which is the Grail Rewards YouTube channel. That information will all be in your welcome email. Make sure that you check your spam folder just in case it went to the spam folder, and click on it and tell it that tell your Gmail or Yahoo or whatever that all emails coming from Grail Rewards are not spam. So you make sure to get all your future emails. So without any further delay, let's assume that you hit the button that's not showing here and that you registered. Once you're here, you definitely should familiarize yourself with all of these. This tells you a little bit about us. This is our FAQ page, which you definitely want to read. This is seller info, which you can read about later on. That's about people that may want to sell us as our company graded books. We'll have other videos on that in the future. Contact us if you're having any problems. This is the Contact Us page. And this is very important. This is going to explain our advertising and banner system. So without further delay, let's get right into this. So let's click on our little guy here. And we're going to go into, actually, we're not going to go into, we're going to go into the home page, and we should be able to, hold on one second here. Okay, we should be able to click in here. All right, go to, let's click into my profile. So once we clicked in here, this is where you can set up your profile with your first name, last name, your phone number, email address. But the most important thing in here is this is your dashboard page. So if you click on dashboard, this is going to give you lots of information. This video and other videos will be here in recent videos. And there'll be news stories here for any upcoming events and any comics that we're going to be, or anything that's changing in the website will be here. So most importantly, this is what you're looking at. You're looking at that I have 0 download credits right now. I have 0 Grail coins, and I have not gotten into any RPOs. So let's go through this real fast. So the first thing we're going to want to do is purchase credits. Okay, those are download credits. We're going to go into purchase download credits, and you're going to be able to purchase. There's options in here. So the lowest package is 10 credits. All right, and this is, of course, $10 plus whatever PayPal fees. Okay, so option 2 is 25. Option 3 is going to be 50. So let's go in here and let's click to buy 50 download credits. So we're going to click here, and it should take us to our PayPal account, which is not that one. Okay, so basically what we're going to do, and we are using a sandbox account right now, which is a tester account for this before we go live. So let me grab that real quick and see if I can read this. Grail.rewards 1. Hold on one second. Grail.rewards 1. This is our test account, and there has to be a dot there. Yep. Dash buyer@gmail.com. buyer@gmail.com. And of course, you're going to put in your own PayPal address and password for this. Let's see here. This is going to be GR2018 comics. Okay, that should help. So now we're logging in and we're making, oh, I guess I did something wrong there. Let's try that one more time. GR2018 comics. Let's make sure we did this right. Up, left off the S. That would do it. Okay, so this should be able to log us in. And this is how you guys would buy your first set. And you can, of course, always buy more download credits. Okay, so we're buying our download credits. All right, so now we've our payment is completed, and we've pushed back here, and it says thank you that it did go through. So now when we click back on our dashboard, we should see 50 credits. So as you guys know, the way that it works with Grail Rewards is we sell downloadable products. If you're watching this during our beta phase, the only product we're going to have available is on-site website banner advertising, okay? So let's click over here to the banner program. We're going to click on this link here. And here's where it goes. So in our banner program, you will be able to either upload your own banner for your business and purchase a banner impression package, or you can help us to help the charities that we're working with and push all of your banner impressions to the charities so that the charity banners will show up in our website. So for the purposes of this, let's click on Add Banner. And we're going to use the default charity banners, where if you were to have your own business banner that you wanted to put in here, you would click on Custom Banner. You would choose a file, and then you would be able to size it properly. These are horizontal banners, and you'd be able to size it properly to be able to show what you need to show. And then here you would put on the website that you wanted to click through to. But for purposes of this, we're going to be using our charity banner system. So we're going to click back here, and right now there's about 5 charity banners in here. So I have 50 credits that I can spend. So we're going to, let's just use 2 of these. You can donate all of your credits to one specific charity, or you can spread them out. So for our purposes, we're going to do 25 in the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Okay, so we're going to do 25 credits here. And we're going to add credit, and it's processing. So basically, we get for every 1 credit that you purchase, you're getting 100 banner impressions for every credit. So I'm going to have 2,500 banner impressions that I've donated to the Lymphoma Society, Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. So let's do it one more time. So let's add a second banner. And this time we're going to go in here and use the PetSmart Charities. So we're going to click in here, and we're going to do the other 25 since I had 50, and we're going to hit Add Credit. And now you see that we have 2,500 impressions and 2,500 impressions for the second one. All right. So the way that we earn Grail coins is by purchasing digital products. So in this case, we used our 50 credits to purchase 50 banner impressions packages, and that's how it works. So now when we go back to our dashboard, you will see we have no more credits, but we have 50 Grail coins. Grail coins are our in-community reward system. So now that you have 50 Grail coins, you have the ability to hold on to those coins and wait for a reward product offering, an RPO that you're interested in, or you can use them at any time that you want. Okay, So now if we go to RPOs, active RPOs, up here, we can click on all RPOs. We have no RPOs right now. So this is a perfect place to stop this video. And the second tutorial video will be spending your Grail coins on any RPOs that are currently available. So the only other thing I will show you is that if you go back here to your dashboard, you can see your history here. So if you go to history, you can always check to see how many credits you've ever purchased. So if you click here, you will see that you purchased a number 3 option package with 50 credits, which costs you 50 US dollars plus whatever PayPal fees. Here's your transaction ID, and that the status was successful. You were able to purchase those and the date. So that'll complete our tutorial for registration, purchasing digital download credits, as well as a starter on the use of the credits by purchasing default charity banners that will run on the website. And that will be on the bottom pages. So if we go back to the home page and we scroll down, you will see the banners show up on these areas once they start to move. Okay, and you'll see those charity banners on the bottom of every page. So that's it for tutorial number 1. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, or you can ask us questions on our Instagram account as well. Have a great day. We'll be back with the second tutorial showing you how you actually spend your Grail coins on RPO comic book offerings. Have a great day.